Well, here we are, it's springtime, and I said all winter, not fixing it. Now it's spring and I'm going to need the tractor, and it doesn't shut off once you get it started with a key, so I'm thinking this switch here, the guy that I got the tractor from, give me a new switch, but it was it didn't fit, so when I went into the wheel horse dealer, I don't even know what you're seeing there. Let's see. When I went into the wheel horse dealer in Lincoln, or a authorized repair shop, they couldn't find a switch on their computer, so he said bring it in and they would match it up with the picture that they had of different switches. So I'm going to pull the switch out today and hopefully run into Lincoln tomorrow or Friday. The switch that the guy got for this had these 5 prongs, but it didn't have this little extra prong on the side. So I'll have to see what I can come up with there. Well, I got to thinking, which is dangerous. This is the one out of the wheel horse, and it's got that extra prong on the side. This is a switch that the guy who gave me the tractor said they told him belongs in it, or would go to it. Same 5 prongs. This has got an extra one, which I would think was probably for the starter, but I think I'm going to plug this in and see if it'll turn this mower over and start it, and if it does, I'll just black tape that extra wire off. I don't know what it would be to, but if this works, we're going to be good to go. Well, before I turned my camera back on, I did try it, but it didn't start. But extra wire must have something to do with getting juice to some of the electronics, and there's probably a hack to fix that, but you know, if I can get the right switch, I'm going to try to get the right switch.